Hello friends, here we'll discuss measurement and scaling techniques. This is with reference to research methodology subject. So in measurement and scaling technique, there are four types of measurements in research methodology. The first one is nominal scale. For example, if we are labeling something, for example, if we are labeling male as a 1 and female as a 2, so this is a kind of nominal scale. The second type of measurement is ordinal scale. Okay, if you are asking satisfaction level of your customer and if they are rating it from excellent to worst, that will be ordinal scale. The third type of measurement is interval scale. If you are taking data, collecting data in intervals, okay, that will be between 1 to 2. So this will be interval scale kind of data. Then the fourth scale, measurement scale, is a ratio scale. For example, if your data is like number of customers visiting to bank in that particular time period, if we are asking for this type of data, that will be a ratio scale. Here we can say that the difference between 10 and 15 is equal to the difference between 20 and 25, that will be same. So here if we collect this type of data, that will be represented as a ratio scale. So these are the four measurement scales available in research methodology: ordinal, interval scale and ratio scale. There are some types of scaling techniques also in the research methodology. It is given. So type of scaling techniques. In scaling techniques, our scaling techniques are broadly divided into two types, and that two types are comparative scaling, and this is comparative scaling, and the next one is non-comparative scaling. When we compare our variables and collecting our data, that will be called as comparative scaling if we are using it, and if we are collecting non-comparative data, then the scaling technique which we will use, that will be kind of continuous and itemized rating scale that we will discuss here. First of all, we'll see comparative scaling techniques. In comparative scaling techniques, four types of scales are available in comparative scaling. The first one is paired comparison, that is comparison between two variables, two things, two items. When we are comparing, then we can use their paired comparative scale. If we are comparing things in a order, in a rank, that is first, second, third, that will be a rank comparison scale. If there is a number, constant number given, for example 10, and on 10 if someone is asking you rate the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 in 10 scale, on 10 scale, so we need to divide this 10 equally, or 10 number into these 4 numbers, that will be constant sum. That 10 can be 100 or anything, any number. Then Q-sort scale, this is also one of the type of comparative scale. The items are given to you and you need to segregate that items in different categories, that will be Q-sort comparative scaling technique. So comparative scaling technique, there are four types: paired, rank, constant sum and Q-sort. Then come to non-comparative scaling techniques. In non-comparative scaling techniques, that can be continuous or itemized rating scale. So itemized rating scale we use in marketing research. Actually, most of the time we use itemized rating scale, and in this also we generally use Likert scale for marketing research. So itemized rating scale, again three types of scales are there, that is Likert, semantic differential scale and Staples scale. When we are collecting data about satisfaction, about for example a product is there, and if we are asking about satisfaction of customers then customers have to rate or have to give their preferences or have to give their satisfaction level about that particular product, then we will use Likert scale. So in non-comparative scale, that scale can be continuous or atomized rating, and atomized, again there are three types, that is Likert, semantic and staple scale. Thank you so much.